when choosing a camp, make sure to note the location that the camp is taking place. If we click on a camp here, Get Zany with Unicorns, you'll notice that in the description it says the location is Roper Elementary. However, if I go back and I choose French Cooking and Culture, you'll see that there's an asterisk by the title and the location is East High School. If this is a location that you're not familiar on how to get to, you can go to our camps page to Maps and Directions. And there you will find not only the location for Roper Elementary, our main site, and the traffic flow map, but also locations for field trips and then the community sites. So for French cooking, it was East High School. So if I click on that, it will then take me to a page that shows the address and a map that I can then use to navigate to that location. Another point to remember is that when you have two campers at different sites, if the one camper is at Roper, one is at an off-site, you always want to drop off at Roper first and then take your camper to the off-site, in this case, East High School for the French cooking. And then when it comes time to pick up, you will do the reverse. You will pick up at the off-site location first and then come to Roper to pick up the camper that is there. We hope these tips are helping you and we can't wait to see you this summer.